Right, in this video we're going to show you how to take off this inner panel off the underside of your tailgate. Now why won't you be doing it? You don't need to take that off to get to these little lights here, because there's a little panel and we've done the rear light video. You just need to pop out this little insert panel here. Don't take the whole panel off. But if you're doing anything with the lock mechanism, routing some cables, the wiper motor, you're going to need to take this whole panel off. We were actually doing it because we were trying to knock our dent out. We have knocked a bit of it out, haven't we, Destiny? We've done all right. So we've got this nasty dent. We've pushed a lot of it out. I think we can probably fill the rest because we're not panel beaters. Right, so let's have a look. Destiny's doing this. Right, so the first thing you need to do is to remove this cover. There's a cover, you'll see. And it's easiest, we found, to go in the end with a little trim tool. And there you go. And you can see that just the half the cover has come off. So you can see that there. That just sort of snaps on and clips on. And then that exposes, they won't be orange on your car. We've highlighted those to make it easier for you. That will reveal two Torx T25 screws. They're fiercely long. So obviously this is your sort of pull handle for closing the tailgate. I don't think anyone ever uses it. Let us know, do you use the pull handle? Just, I guess it stops you getting your fingers dirty on the outside paintwork, doesn't it?
I always use the one on the inside of my
Use the inside, look at you. I'm just savage. Right, and you can see then the other part of the handle comes down. Okay, so these are the only screws holding on. The rest is going to be just clipped in place with plastic plastic trim fittings. Right then, so there we go. So there's those two little beasts, both the same. And that, thank you. There's the other bit of the handle. Quite a nice little bit of design. Right, so now I think it's going to be best. It's one of those things where you almost want someone to help you, but if we use the trim tool, we should be able to react against the force and try and get in that corner. If we can get in the corner a little bit. Oh gosh, it sounds like we've got a train going across. Where can you get in easily? Twist it a bit. Put it in and then twist it. Rotate it. It's a beast, isn't it? You've got to fight your way in. Ah, there you go. Right, I think once you've got one out, Destiny, they normally go okay. Just pull. So it's pulling straight down. All right, there you go. Whoa! Right, now don't worry. This bit will fall out. Don't worry. So this is the cover that covers over the lock mechanism, like so. And that fits just in there. You just got to remember to insert that back in. So you will have a series, I'll move it over here, that light's blinded me, it was helping me earlier. So you will have a series of clips. Now, I'll put the part number for the clip on the screen. I don't think these blue clips are original, but they seem to work really well. I'll put the part number for the blue clips as well on, but I don't think they're original. But look, you careful, because you might have some clips broken. You might also have some clips that decided they wanted to stay, look. So make sure before you put it on, you'll never get these, so you need a trim tool. Destiny's going to demo some straight. Get your trim tool in behind it, lever that out and snap those out. So that is what the clips look like. And then what you do is you slide those back in there. So they slide in, and then it should just push back into place. And what, oh yes. So you might watch these clips here, these metal clips at the top. Sometimes one of ours had come off. So make sure they're back on the tailgate, and this little spring bit will go into these little mouths here. Look, you see that little mouth there? 1, 2, 3 of those. Right, and what does that reveal? I had to look up what this box of electrical wizardry is, but this is a radio suppressor to stop interference. This here is your, let me come down here, the light will be better. This here is your wiper motor mechanism. You may have a soft close motor in here if you're flash. Obviously there's the rear lights connections there. And that's pretty much what we've got, heated rear window connections. So if you're doing anything with your rear wash, wipe, wiper, changing the wiper motor, that's where you need to be. Right, have we done, Destiny?
Yeah.
Right, good luck with that.